Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead as we are looking at some activity coming in, as we do have Tropical Storm Gamma, which is not really expected to do much more. It's pretty much gone already, to be honest with you. But we do have Tropical Storm Delta, which is developed today over the Caribbean. That is going to be a feature which could bring us some rain to close out the work week. In the meantime, we are kind of in between disturbances, looking at upper level ridging here to the west, which is going to expand somewhat towards the east. That is going to keep us dry and warm us up here heading into the middle part of the work week. And then our attention will turn to Delta late in the week. Here's the latest on Delta as the storm continues to strengthen. Maximum sustained winds now at 60 miles per hour. It is moving towards the west at 7 miles per hour. The latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center shows that Delta will likely become a hurricane and very well could become a strong Category 2 hurricane, and could be a Category 2 as it makes landfall early Friday morning over the southeastern sections of Louisiana and then moves into basically western Alabama during the weekend. Now, given this course, it would bring us some rain Friday, but it's far enough away where the impacts on our weather should be somewhat minimal. But keep in mind, we do have the cone of uncertainty here. Basically, it's still possible we could see a track further to the west, and obviously if it does take a path similar to what Laura did, then we would be looking at more significant impacts in our area. But right now it looks like it's going to move far enough to the east that its role on our weather, or impact on our weather Friday, should be somewhat minimal. That's what we're looking at as far as potential rainfall. You can see that from now through the next week, that the totals for heavier rains will be highest over basically eastern Louisiana. You can see the path of Laura in this area. We're looking at 5 to 10 inches of rainfall over southeast Louisiana to southern Mississippi, while here in the Arklatex, maybe an inch to 2 inches over the southeastern sections of the area, and it's very possible the far northwestern part of the Arklatex could stay totally dry. Again, that's just based on the current thinking here with Delta. Meantime, we're going to see a warming trend in the coming days. Look at temperatures across the region tonight. Another cool night on the way with lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That includes 49 degrees in Texarkana, 51 degrees in Shreveport. Daytime highs again will be warmer, upper 70s, low 80s. Tomorrow, 82 in Shreveport, 79 in Texarkana, 82 degrees for the high tomorrow in Marshall. Checking in with Robbins Toyota Futurecast, you can see that we will stay clear across the area tonight, which that combined with the dry air and light wind allowing temperatures to dip below normal. And then tomorrow with lots of sunshine, we will see still a northeasterly wind, but that sunshine should be enough to warm us up into the low 80s. We'll see a quiet weather picture for tomorrow night. And then Wednesday, expect lots of sunshine, perhaps a few more clouds over the southeastern edge of the area, but for the most part we should see quite a bit of sunshine here for Wednesday. We'll start to see those clouds increase even more as we go into Thursday, and again, once we see Delta clear, then it's back to our warm and dry pattern. You can see the rain from Delta right in here moving to our east, and then we kind of settle back into dry. There's going to be a disturbance which is going to develop across the plains early next week. This could give us an increasing chance for some showers and thunderstorms by the middle part of next week. In the meantime, your outlook for the next 7 days looks like this: relatively dry across the Arklatex, as we will see temperatures warming back up into the mid-80s by Wednesday and Thursday. Pretty good chance for some rain for most of the area Friday, and then we will see conditions dry out and warm up again, back to the mid-80s for Sunday, Monday. Again, as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, we'll see an increasing chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And you can see nighttime lows eventually return to the 60s, and more than likely will stay there as we close this week and head into next week.